Hey angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy, thanks for being here, and if you're not new and you've watched my other videos, then love you for coming back. I'm excited about today's video for a number of reasons. A, I've got a new camera. It is my birthday a week today. I'm going to be 28, so I've treated myself, along with some money from my family, to a new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1 and oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. It's so much better than my old camera. Like, I'm buzzing. This is my first video of my new camera. Two, it's 2021, it's a new year. I know we're still stuck in lockdown in the UK, rubbish COVID vibes, but it is a new year. The vaccine is here, things are changing. We're gonna get there, angels. Three, I'm excited about this video. I can't remember my third reason. I think it's just because I'm really excited to try out the product that we're trying out today, which is the Beauty Works Waver tool. You will have seen this all over Instagram if you're on Instagram. It's everywhere. Everyone's using it. Every influencer is promoting it. So I was like, you know what? We need to test it out and see if it's worth the coin. So it retails at £70, so it isn't cheap, but if you're anything like me, when I find a hair tool that I really like, I keep it forever and I use it all the time. So £70 spread over a long time is absolutely fine. And I've got the Beauty Works curler tool. I'll put a little link to my video review of that here. It was a Molly May one, it was ages ago. I was literally filming videos like on my phone at this point, so don't judge the quality, but I'll put a link to that. So today I'm really excited to test out the waver tool because I know the curler tool is lasting me well and being fab, so hopefully the waver tool will be the same. So I've started by blow drying my hair straight. Now I know some people might be looking at this like, blow drying your hair straight, it's pretty much curly. Yeah, well, I've actually got curly hair, and when this is me blow drying it straight, I literally brushed it straight with a hairdryer, but it is so curly it just wants to be in a curl all the time, so that's what it naturally goes for. But I didn't want to just leave it to dry naturally because then it would have been really curly and I thought that might affect the waver tool. So I've blow dried it straight and that's what we're starting with. So it looks like this. It's got a little on-off button and a plus and minus for temperature. So it starts at 180 degrees, but I'm just going to put it up to the hottest because my hair needs that, which is 220. So the instructions said to take a section. It's obviously quite wide, so you don't need to take thin sections. To hold it for up to 10 seconds. So I am going to hold it for 10 because I feel like my hair needs that. It's not something that like curls really quickly or something because it's quite thick. It needs the time, so I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. Oh, we're at 220, and then work my way down and see how it goes. Let's get started. So, oh, steam coming off it. It comes apart like that, and then we're just going to put it in there and then wait for 10 seconds and then move down to the next bit. I feel like I'm back at school or something, crimping my hair again. But if this is the fashion, then you've got to go with it. Well, no, you don't have to go with it, but I wanted to test it out. Okay, let's see when we get to the end. They did say maybe like leave a bit at the end, but I'm not about that life. I don't want a little straight bit at the end of my waves. We're gonna go all the way. Okie dokie, there we go. There's our first one. So, first impressions. I mean, it's a lot. It's very wavy, it's very cool. It was really easy to do. I didn't even need holding down for the 10 seconds, my hair, so that's good. I think when you see it like this, it's like, wow. But I think when my whole head's done, it's gonna look really cool. So I was gonna say, let's carry on with this side and see. No, I am gonna do my whole head. That's what the whole video is about. So let's just carry on with the whole head and see. So I'm going to take another section now and continue. Okay. I have to go up close to see what I'm doing and then I feel like I can't see my hair. My hair is quite frizzy, so don't think that your hair is going to go frizzy unless you've got frizzy hair like me anyway. Also, I forgot to clarify at the beginning, I did put heat protection spray on and so should you. I feel like you could do really cool, like, you know, Hollywood glam hair where it's kind of up in a bun but it has waves going here. I feel like this not only could do beach waves but could definitely do some like Hollywood glam waves. Wow, I mean, take me back to 1997 right now and I'm crimping my hair. But I'm thinking it looks really cool. Let's do the other side and regroup. One thing I'm really loving about it is how big it is, which means you can take really big sections of hair, which means everything gets done quicker, and you know we stan a quick beauty regime. I haven't got time before my Zoom meetings in the morning to be doing a full glam, so I need something that can quickly make me look glamorous. Okay, that is the bottom half of my hair done. I'm loving it right now. I'm gonna just go a little bit closer so you can really see what we're working with. Basically, it looks like if I'd slept in plaits, but it had gone really, really well. Because you know, sometimes like you think, I'm gonna sleep with French plaits in and I'm gonna wake up with these gorgeous waves, and then you don't. You literally wake up with dents in your hair of where your plaits were, and you're like, now it has to be a bun day, and it was meant to be a butte wave day, and yeah. Whereas this looks like, yeah, I slept in my plaits and it looks freaking good. So I'm like buzzing right now. Let's carry on with the rest of my hair. I'm really wondering how it's gonna look like on the top bit, but we'll see. Let's get another section down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Half of me feels like, are you going to a Spice Girl concert? And the other half of me is like, am I Lucie Donlan or whatever she's called from Love Island with my surf waves? Like, I don't know who I am right now, but I'm living my best waved life right now. Okay, we're now at the top layer and I'm loving. I know it's like a lot, like I wouldn't want to just pop to the shops like this, I don't think, but for a night out or a day when you just want to feel really glam, or filming YouTube videos or taking pics on my Insta, I'm living. It's like a really bold, gorgeous, or a day on the beach actually. I would literally love my hair to look like this for a day on the beach. I just think it's like quite like wow, but as long as you're pairing it with the right look, I'm living. Wow. Wow. Now, it might not look as intense on everyone because I have got a lot of hair. I definitely feel like some people it looks a lot softer, but I still love it. Do I look like Jerry Halliwell in the 90s? Yes. Is there a problem with that? Absolutely not. Now I don't know if everybody goes to the roots with this or if they kind of just leave it more at the bottom, but I like my curls to be from the roots. I like to feel really like I've got really big, bouncy, gorgy hair rather than like a subtle wave. I don't really do subtle. So yeah, don't feel you have to do it right from the top. If you're looking at me thinking this is a lot, this is a lot, but it's not the only way this can be styled. You could just do a few nice bits at the bottom and it would look a lot calmer. I am gonna go and put these down on a heatproof mat and then sort my life out, but I feel amazing right now. I'll be back. I'm back. Is it a lot? Yes. Could this be because I've just got a lot of hair? Yes. Am I obsessed? Yes. Look at my hair, it's massive. It looks so cool. I do feel 80s, 90s, but in a really vibey, amazing way. I mean, some girls look so beachy. Maybe I could look beachy if I had a bikini on and I wasn't stuck in lockdown in the UK, you know? Maybe this could be beachy waves. Yeah, it definitely could. But also it could be like, I'm going to an 80s fancy dress party in an amazing way. Fashion is coming back around all the time. Big hair's always in my life. Like, I don't do flat hair, so it's an absolute 10 out of 10 for me. The question of the video was, is this tool worth £70? To me, to feel this glam, to feel this fabby, yeah, I do think this is worth £70. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to be using it more often, but I'm stuck in lockdown, so I'm just going to be walking around my house. Glam. Too glam to give a damn. Yay, 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 yay. If you've watched this video and enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really means the world to me. If you've got the Beauty Works waiver, please send me your pics with your big amazing hair and let's all share the love on how much we love it. Thank you so much for watching, angels. I love you so much and really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, honeys.